What is going on, folks? It is day one fishing the king mackerel meat mayhem tournament out of the Golden Nugget. Tournament got moved to Friday, Saturday instead of Thursday, Saturday because of weather. It's only about 10, 11 foot seas out there today, so we are headed out. Headed out on the 40-foot sea hunter, going to catch some bait. We're gonna try to find just whatever, hardtails, probably mullet. I think the mullet have been running through here. Caught a few yesterday cast netting, but we're gonna go for that today. So they were straight towards the white pole was where they were hitting. This is our best catch in the cast net all day right here. Nice, the beef stick, the Iowa beef stick with a nice chin, something.
Yeah, it's a really nice piece.
It really is nice.
It's antique.
I think we're gonna use it for kingfishing tomorrow, actually.
Yeah, I mean the line on
little
it looks
WD-40 and it's good to go. It's got braid. I mean, what more could you want?
Monday.
Checked out, cleared the dock. We're all getting lined up here right outside the Beau Rivage. It's going to be a madhouse race.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
First fight of the day, we got a little action. Let's see what we're working with here. Pretty good size, Cuda. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, fish number 2, pass number 2 over the cutoff rig here. Fresh ribbon fish. Let's see if this is the right one here. He didn't make too crazy of a run, so, but you never know. Cuda number 2. Ah, another big barracuda. Yeah, another big barracuda. Bite hooked up here. We have had 3 or what, 4 big barracuda.
Woo! By top.
Yeah, on fire. See if he'll jump and put on a show here. Yeah. Shark took half of them. Half of a cuda.
No, he left.
Heading out, day 2. First day was a struggle. A lot of barracudas. Tough to catch bait. Starting fresh.
I didn't even hear the countdown.